Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. The requested title is Modeling and Prediction of Rainfall using Radar Reflectivity Data, a Data Mining Approach. That's one abstract. Rainfall affects water quantity and quality. A data mining approach is applied to predict rainfall in a watershed based on Oxford logo based on radar reflectivity and tipping bucket data. Proposed decision tree method using SLIC to implement precipitation model. It is observed that decision tree method achieves closer agreement between actual and estimated rainfall. SLIC method gives high accuracy rate when compared to other prediction models like Fuzzy and nearest neighbor, etc. Monthly rainfall data for coastal Andhra, Telangana and Rayalaseema regions in Andhra Pradesh state during the years 1971 to 2011 is collected from Climatology and Hydrometeorology Division. In proposed system, dataset collected from coastal Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Rayalaseema regions in Andhra Pradesh state during the years 1871 and to 2011 is collected from Climatology and Hydrometeorology Division, Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, Pune, India. Data consists of 1680 observations in which 140 years of data during 1871 to 2005 is used for model fitting and remaining 6 years of data during 2006 to 2011 is used as out of sample set. In this paper, analysis of data mining algorithms is presented for rainfall prediction. Data mining deploys techniques based on machine learning alongside the conventional methods. More importantly, these techniques can generate decision or prediction models based on historical data. Next, flow of the project. User will extract the dataset. That is, we implemented 3 datasets in this paper: Rayalaseema, coastal Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. First, we have to load the dataset, and we can view the original dataset in the text file. Next, we are importing the dataset into a database. We are importing Rayalaseema dataset and coastal Andhra Pradesh dataset in Telangana. And we are reprocessing these 3 datasets. Reprocessing is used to remove the noise data, that is unwanted data. For reprocessing, we are loading the dataset and reprocess the loaded dataset and view the reprocessed data. Finally, we are predicting the rainfall based on gain and entropy of the dataset. First, how to fetch the ratio of the datasets based on precipitation in 3 datasets. First, we are fetching the precipitation of 3 datasets and we are calculating the ratio based on entropy and gain. Based on gain ratio, we are finding the prediction value by dividing the formula of gain ratio divided by split info. Split info will be constructed based on multiplication of 3 datasets. Gain will be constructed based on sum of 3 datasets. And finally, we are evaluating the 3 datasets and performance of the project. Next, execution of project. Let's start execution. And this is the home page of the project. First, we are extracting the 3 datasets, that is coastal Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema and Telangana. First, we are extracting the dataset of coastal Andhra Pradesh. For that, how to load the dataset first. So, how to select the dataset from the folder and click extract button to insert the record into a database. Record inserted successfully into a database. So these are the inserted records of the coastal Andhra Pradesh dataset. Here we can view the area and latitude, longitude coordinates points of the dataset and a subdivision name and precipitation used to predict the rainfall. page. And next we are extracting the Rayalaseema dataset. So first we have to load the dataset here. So we are extracting the dataset, and dataset is successfully inserted into a database. So inserted records can view into the grid view. From these are the details of the Rayalaseema dataset. This dataset contains the same area name and latitude, longitude coordinates points of the dataset. That is this area of coordinates points of this area, and subdivision name and precipitation. And these are the records inserted into a database. And next dataset is Telangana. And first we have to load the dataset here. And extract the dataset into a database. A record inserted successfully, and we can view the inserted records here. So these are the records containing details of dataset. This Telangana dataset contains area ID and latitude, longitude coordinates points, and subdivision name, that is, and precipitation. And this is the ID for dataset. This ID will be regenerated in every time. And next, data pre-processing. For data pre-processing, we have pre-processed this main process of remove the unwanted data, that is, remove the noise data from the dataset. For that, we are just first import the dataset into a database and just pre-process the data pre-processed successfully. So we can view the pre-processed data by clicking view button. And these are the data pre-processed from the original dataset. And next is prediction, rainfall prediction. Here we are getting the precipitation of 3 datasets, that is rainfall dataset, Telangana dataset, coastal Andhra Pradesh dataset. We are extracting these precipitation values, and based on this we are extracting the ratio value. Ratio value is constructed based on entropy and gain. Gain value is constructed based on sum of these precipitation values, and entropy value is constructed based on multiplication of 3 precipitation values. And we are subtracting the gain and entropy to get the ratio value. And split info constructed based on these precipitation values, and we are dividing the ratio on split info to get the predicted rainfall. So we are predict the rainfall based on these rain ratio and split info based on these precipitation values. First we are getting the precipitation values. This is the count of dataset values, that is precipitation. And finally we are predicting the rainfall. For that we are extracting the rainfall gain ratio here and split info, and predicted rainfall is done based on gain ratio and split info. And finally we are evaluating the performance of project. And we are these performance is based on the 3 dataset that is fetched from the dataset, that is coastal Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema and Telangana. So we are viewing the performance of 3 dataset here. These datasets performed based on rainfall prediction, and we can get the performance from this.